Whether you need assistance with your heat, air conditioning, preventive maintenance, or anything in between, trust our reliable team to get the job done. We'll take the time to figure out your specific needs and recommend what we believe is right and best for your situation. Arctic Air, when you need us, we'll be there.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather today.
Good Monday morning to you. Ben Looney here with you in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center with one busy forecast for you. It's going to be a soggy day as we look ahead to this evening. Showers will be with us really beginning toward the midday for some of our counties, and then the bottom's going to be dropping out as the afternoon moves forward. In addition, we also have breezy winds that'll be with us. This is going to be a good cold rain. I'll tell you how much precip we can expect to receive over the next 36 hours, how breezy the winds will get to, plus we'll also do a look ahead and find out what's to come later in the week. All that and more packed together right here in this weather update this morning, made possible by our friends down at Arctic Air Heating and Air Conditioning. With that said, let's hop right into it. Here's satellite and radar. Over the past 24 hours, this takes us back into Sunday, where it was relatively a nice day by the afternoon. Some blue sky broke out across the area. Today's going to kind of be the exact opposite. Starting out this morning under a partly cloudy sky, more clouds will be building in though. As today progresses, you can see that on Futurecast, temperatures warming back from the 30s all the way into the 50s by noon today, thanks to a good southeast flow of air from the Gulf region right into the Tennessee Valley. Now, check out what's going to happen as we look ahead to the midday hour. Some of that shower activity will be showing up on our western counties back out toward McNairy and Hardin and in northeast Mississippi. By the mid-afternoon, say 3 to 4 o'clock, some light, steady rain will be possible across the core of our viewing area out to I-65. And then from 4 to 8, well, that's when the old bottom is going to be dropping out. Much more sustained, heavier rainfall will be likely. During this time, sustained winds could be exceeding 20 to 25 miles per hour. Some models are trying to bring that number up in the later runs, and then gust potential goes from 30 to even 45 miles per hour from today through tomorrow. So it's going to be a very, very windy period as this whole system works through the area. Plenty of moderate to heavy rainfall is likely. This continues into midnight and even into early Tuesday. Here's around 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Still some steady rain in the area before this stuff finally starts to pull out of the Tennessee Valley. Now, how much rain are we going to expect to see at your house? Here's the breakdown. As we head through this evening, we're going to start out about 1/10 of rainfall in parts of southern Tennessee, maybe a smidge more, 2/10 in northwest Alabama. And as that bottom drops out, remember I showed you toward 8 to midnight tonight, well, those numbers really start to inflate to almost 3 inches, if not more, across southern middle Tennessee. Those numbers certainly higher in parts of northwest Alabama, and actually could wind up being just a smidge higher as well by the time all this is said and done with. Plus, we could, and I say could, wind up seeing a snow flurry or two, nothing more, as this system ends here Tuesday and into early Wednesday. There might be some light snow shower activity on the higher spots east of I-65. Once again, that's the Cumberland Plateau and maybe some of those higher mountaintops over in northeast Alabama. Locally, maybe a flurry to go along with our water that we're going to pick up here over the next 36 hours. What about those wind gusts? This is one forecast model. Others are really trying to ramp this up. So this could be evolving as we head through today. So just take this as kind of a base. Wind gust exceeding around 25 miles per hour by this afternoon, ramping up to 30, maybe even 40 at times overnight tonight. This activity continues close to 40 miles per hour into tomorrow morning as well. So stay weather aware. We'll be tracking this for you the best we can. Of course, you can't see wind, especially when there's no moisture to follow for weather radars. So we'll be using our weather sensors across the area. So we've got breezy conditions really following us all the way through tomorrow night. Now, as this system pulls out, some of that wraparound moisture crosses again tomorrow night and into early Wednesday, which could produce for us 1 or 2 flurries across the area. Don't think it's going to be anything more than that. Might be a little bit more for folks on the plateau out of our viewing area off toward the east and again in northeast Alabama. And then we wind up with a little bit of relatively calm weather here for late Wednesday into Thursday. before we get ready to ramp back up again with another storm chance by the end of this week. More on that in a second. Here's your day builder forecast from Parks Lumber. Notice temperatures again warming back to the 50s as we head into the midday. Showers and showers will be likely here locally, not a thunderstorm event. This is going to be a rainfall event for the area as we move into the afternoon. Those thunderstorms are to come to the area on Friday. Here comes again another chance for shower activity Friday, which could again end as a flurry or two on Saturday. We'll be watching this sky carefully. Dry weather existing right now for the morning and again by Wednesday night and Thursday. Until then, get ready for one soggy storm system rolling in here as we head into this afternoon and then through tomorrow. That is a lot to take in over the course of the past couple of minutes. Kelly is back here at noon today with the very latest, and then Fred Gossage live at 5 here on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. Live, nonstop coverage as needed. We'll be watching all of this stuff very carefully here on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a blessed Monday. Stay with Tennessee Valley Weather. As always, we'll keep you advised. I'll leave you with a final look at the forecast. Have a safe Monday, and we'll talk to you soon.